right, we're just going to look quickly at your assignments for today, Monday, January 4th. You're going to start at the top and work your way down. So you have your warm-up video and your warm-up. So you're going to complete the warm-up on your own. But then before you submit it, you watch the video to check yourself. And then that way you can change any answers if you need to. And then you're going to go ahead and submit after you watch the video. So those two kind of go together. Then you have a digital inquiry today. Remember, these take you a little bit of time, but they're not too challenging. So you're going to work through this. It is a Google slide. You're going to work through it. So basically what's happening is you are researching the advantages and disadvantages of fossil fuels using this Google slide document. So what's going to happen is you have your question, and then you're going to look at all these sources, which are embedded in each slide. And then you'll see here, you need to fill in the table after each slide. Okay? All right, so again, on each slide you have links. So here you've got videos that you're going to watch. You're going to watch, looks like that's one long link. So you're going to click on that link to watch that video. Then you can fill in your table. Then you're going to just read. So there's no link here because all you're doing is reading this information. Then on the fourth slide, you have another link. Fifth slide, another video. Slide 6, another link to an encyclopedic article. Okay, so then on 7, you have the table. Now what you're going to do, see, these are hints at what you need to fill into the table. So what you're going to do is read your hint, and then you're just going to type under it. So describe how fossil fuels help us. So you'll type your answer right here, and then you'll answer the question over here. Okay. So the table is not done for you. It's important for you to understand that. What's typed in here are hints for you to help you fill in the table. So you're going to type your answers below each hint. And then you have a drag and drop. So you're going to read, and you are filling in the blank with these terms. Okay, so you just drag them and drop them where they go. Okay, that's it for the digital inquiry. Then you have notes. So the digital notebook for these, we actually opened quite a while ago when we looked at renewable and non-renewable resources. So that was that was about 3 weeks ago, I believe. So what you'll do here is you're going to go into your class drive folder. And the easiest thing to do would be to type into the search bar and just start typing fossil fuels, and you'll see that digital notebook pop up. So you're going to open that from your drive, and then you're going to use this video to do slides 5 through 8. Remember, you do not turn the notebook in. Oh, and also remember, so if you find your notebook and you open it and it is view only and it's not letting you type, remember the problem is that you turned it in. So what you're going to have to do is scroll all the way back. Okay, so I found it for you. So we got these notebooks on November 23rd. So you're going to have so it's the purple label whenever you find it in your class drive folder. But when you open it, if it's view only, it's because you turned it in. See, look, 8 of you turned them in here. So let me see if I can just return them. Okay, so I returned them to you, so that should solve it. But if it doesn't, it's because you are going to have to go in where you originally turned it in and unsubmit it. If you have questions about that, I know that was kind of convoluted. If you have questions about that, just get on live with me today, and I can help you sort that out. But to summarize, you got your digital notebook for this a while back. On November 23rd is when it was originally assigned to you. So you're going to have to go to your class drive folder, search fossil fuels, and that digital notebook with the purple label on the cover should pop up. That's what we are using for the notes. You'll watch this video to fill in the notes. If your notebook is in view only, it's because you need to unsubmit it from where you first turned it in. And then your study stack, you do have a quiz this Friday. It's your last quiz of this quarter. And so you want to make sure you get a good grade in before the end of the quarter. So make sure you're studying. Just click that link and it'll take you to the flashcards. And then you do not have a social studies assignment today. We will resume social studies tomorrow with a Google Doc assignment.